Oh, sorry about that, whānau. Chat holder. Just unpack my tools. Have to go back inside. I still have my headset on. Jeez. Hold on, whānau, sorry. Okay, hey, kia ora whānau. Sorry about that. Yeah, just had to figure it out with the bag guy. Shout out to Cookie and Mikey Duncan for the subs. He didn't have to. And there's two more I have to say thank you to earlier, so I wrote their names down. So thank you to Japud Cret, LC God is in text, and Bit Leo for the subs as well earlier when the stream was playing up. Thank you guys, you didn't have to, but much appreciated, whānau. Yeah, we had to, so it wasn't working, but thanks to the bag guys, got there in the end. So we should be good to go now. So I'm just going to put some music on. Okay, whānau, sorry I'm late. Sorry to be streaming so late. My bad. Let me just readjust my hair. No donuts, the man lad. Yeah, brother, so we're gonna start. Someone gifted 10 subs. You lying. Oh no, they did. Oh crap. Milky Duncan, you just got here. Holy shit, brother, thank you. I may as well do some here quickly, brother. Thank you, Milky Duncan, for the 10 gifted subs. You didn't have to, brother, we just started. And if you're new here, yep, I carve in the rain and the storms too. Chur Whanau. Kia ora from Tāmaki Makaurau. Kia ora, bird. Okay. Shoulders there. Okay, whānau. Yeah, I carve regardless of the weather. I don't really care. So you might hear literal S fan from New Zealand. Hey, I'm an S fan. Huh? Hey, Chinkobi. Hey. Okay, we might turn this around. So, okay. I see he's playing Knights of the Old Republic too. S-Fine. S-Fan. Oh, cheer, brother Joe. Gee. Damn, you finally up, eh? How's your rest, bro, after your big stream? Thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to, though. Gotta hit you with that as well, brother. Okay, I'm gonna point you down to show you what we're up to. Love that Knights of the Old Republic. Yeah, I'll probably never play Star Wars games myself, but yeah. Okay, yeah, let's get a streaming. Sorry, man, I've lost a lot of time from the day, but it's all good. Just still gotta jump on, eh? For you guys, come chill with yous. Hello, meet you, and kia ora to Grayson. Grayson Haskell, thank you very much for the sub, brother. If you're new here, my bro, just remember next time you think of resubbing, hold on to your money. If it's much better in your hands, looking after yourself. Love the new avatar. Wait, there's a new avatar? Is it on Netflix, brother? Oh, my one. Just got it, yeah. Just thought I'd better use a photo of myself for once. I never have, to be honest. Ever thought about carving pistol and gun handles? Nah, brother. No. I mean, I could put like a Maori influence on them, but in general, nah, not really. Ah, come on, brothers, don't do that. How you been, Jay? Can we get a shout out for Jay Scott, please? Go check him out, whānau. He's a talented painter, and if you're a weeb, you'll love it even more. I mean, I'm a weeb, so go check it out. You sound like the rock guy from Thor. Oh, hey man, my name's Cork. I'm kind of the leader around here. I tried to start a revolution, but I didn't print enough pamphlets, and nobody came. What's good, mate? Cheers, brother. Did you see Adesanya's fight? Yeah, brother. You already know I'm about Adesanya, because he's from here. Oh, he's from Nigeria as well. He shouted out Rotorua as well, because he used to live here too. Went to the same school. Are you a whiskey man? Nah, brother. I don't even drink, bro. Poupou, hello, brother. Cheers from France. Hey, you're making my nights a little brighter. Much appreciated, brother. Thank you for the sub, man, and a commander as well. Much appreciated, guys. If you're new here, you didn't have to. Look after yourselves. Next time your resubs up, use your sub money to go buy you food, or maybe you see that t-shirt you want, you know, that nice comfortable pair of socks. Big Les Low, yo, shot for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. Did I tweet out? I did. Why no donuts? Oh, I'm going to be dieting for the next 4 weeks for a wedding. I mean, I still got a bit of lockdown beef on me, but it's not hard to lose. And you know, Go back to the gym, eh? Start getting ready for Shadowlands. My doctor said my money looks better than your hands. Oh, this guy. My doctor's lying to you. I hope everyone's good though. Monkey. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, but thank you very much, brother. And Footy with the bits as well. It's a monkey. Monkey de Luffy. Let me just do this for now. Greetings from Argentina. Hey, brother. Oh, hola. All good, bro. Thought it was yesterday and not today. What you talking about, brother? Fuck, so many notifications. How do you, like, mute Discords? Like, there's some that I follow that are way too busy for my liking. Are you self-taught? No, brother. This was introduced to me by my uncle. So this isn't just any normal carving art form. This has been a big part of the Maori culture since, well, the beginning, really. So I'm just prepping our design. So just starting with all our cuts for our paketis. Ever seen any Austin Powers movies? Oh man, I don't think I know one person that hasn't, brother. There's an Austin in the chat too. Won't say who though. Hey, Chur Digital Wolf. I was hoping you would stay on. Then I would have sent everyone your way, brother. How you been? After the stream, another amazing artist in the chat, whānau, Digital Wolf. Be sure to check him out. Sunday and Monday. Yeah, bro. Hey, morning, Fanta. Oh, I mean you've been up for a while, but yeah. Get this designing down. Nice work. Thank you, Helio. Hello, DJ. Snarfart, yeah, just finished the drawing I was working on. Gonna post a pic in the Discord. Nice, bro. Awesome. It's always good to see what everyone can do, eh? Like in terms of art or anything else. Now I did something yesterday too, chat, that I'm quite happy I did. I uninstalled Fortnite off my PS4. Best decision I ever made. Cheer, brother. Crazy, hope you're good too. Do you ever stream well? Nah, not yet, brother. I mean, it's been sitting there for a while, but it's just taking up unnecessary space. How are you, Jay? You good, brother? Yeah, you eat the toxicity. Yeah. Oh, I just don't enjoy it anymore either. More time for well. Yeah, I'm still trying to get used to bloody daylight savings too. I forgot all about it, eh? What's your favourite kind of donut, brother? Ooh, that's a good one. I would say the custard filled ones. Those are gangster. G'day from Australia, first stream here. Hey, Kakazo. Cheer, my brother. Welcome to the stream, my bro. If you have any questions, you feel free to ask. Otherwise, welcome to the whānau, brother. So, since you're new here, bro, I don't really call it a community. I call it a whānau. Now, that is the Maori word for family. It's just community. Sounds like a weird word to me. Twitch needs more Maori streamers. Oh, there's heaps. These ones that play games. Oh, I know a few. Just some of my mods are streamers and they're Maori as well. Not my mods, some of the mods. Hey, morena Maya. Jeez, I hope you're not at mahi. Who else watch Izzy? The king, yeah. Index, I don't know, brother. It's something I won't claim, not gonna lie, but just leave it for everyone else to say. Tuesday tomorrow, you know what that means, whānau. New episode of God of High School. Let's go. What does chur mean? Chur means hello. It's slang. But you can also use it like thank you if I gave you something. You can chir. When they're donuts, I'm dieting for the next few weeks while waiting. Won't be hard. It's not that hard to lose weight. Is this your job? No, I didn't. No, this ain't my job. Not at all, brother. Are you familiar with being alien weaponry? Yeah, bro. Okay. Definitely, bro. How many times you ate making this? Oh, I don't know what you mean, brother. Yeah. Can you do these custom? I'm doing it now. So I'm just marking out these teeth now. I'll probably have to drop some down. What's your height? I don't know, bro. I don't really go out of my way to measure height. Got better stuff to do. Sorry, brother. Bro, need some gum trees. Oh, I don't. Yeah, it's not the best to carve. I spent summer working in Alaska with a native master carver. It's interesting to see how familiar Indian carvings are elsewhere around the world, but they all seem to have your kind of awesome attitude. Oh, nice. How was that, bro? Because you know I got mad respect for other wood carvers. Sunny morning, rain is falling. Gonna shed some skin. So professional. Do you ever get splinters while you're carving? Nah, brother. Pretty much got hard skin now underneath my hands. Yeah, not at all, brother. Haven't had splinters ever. What's your iwi and marae? So Tūhoi is one of my iwi. My maraes are pretty much every single one within Ruatahina. Ones I tie to the most is Te Painga and Tātāhuata and Tāne Nui Arangi, which is in Maunga Pōhatu. What else? So I'm from Te Arawa as well, on my kuia side. Our main marae is Pukehina out on the coast there, and home mai Tapiti in Otamaraka. Where is my scoop? I'm already sick of lo-fi, but it's free. Royalty free, I should have said. While working, cheers for the chill music and the rhythmic tipping, brother. It really helps. Cheer, repeat entry. Cheer, brother. What religion do you worship? Don't really follow much about religion. Just the Maori gods. Just like we have a word in our language that's amene, like amen. I don't say that because it's not Maori. We don't worship one significant God, we have many. They represent different aspects that we show in our daily lives. If that makes sense. Hey, Chur, Crisp. Aloha, brother. Trying to be a dentist at the moment, brother. Good morning, Layo. Hey, brother. Why do you do this like Native American? If I had your talent, I would be doing Star Wars. Because my ancestors don't come from Wookiees or Jedis, bro. This isn't a normal carving art form. This has been part of my culture since the beginning, really. It comes from our god of the sea, so yeah, I only do things within my cultural boundaries. I'm not really here to try and carve Avengers and all that. That's too mainstream, if that makes sense, brother. just finished my essay and I'm doing great. Nice, brother. Love to see it, my bro. Myself, you are? I'm all good. Had a bit of a hiccup with the old connection this morning, but we're live now. Ninja Matt, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Just with what's going on in the world, we're much appreciated. Is it not obvious he's Hawaiian? No, I'm not. Oh, Donnie! Hold on, father. Happy birthday, Donnie. Oh, stupid bloody thing. Happy birthday, Donnie. Cheer, Uncle Roadworks. Merci. Okay. Yeah, I mean, there may be moments where I'll carve something outside of my culture just to give it a go, but this is what I love to do. Sorry, brother, there ain't no, there's no Tony Starks in my culture, brother, so yeah. Man, this water's annoying. Hello from Rhode Island, hope you're well. Hey, Mrs. D. Fiddle, much appreciated. Hope you're doing well too over there. Yeah, get to us. That's pretty much what I'm doing. It just hopefully catch the attention of the next generation of Maori children that may want to pursue this. So just to be proud of what our ancestors have passed down, because it's not me that's gonna carry it on through the generations, or not for a while, or not forever, I should say. It's so my job is just hopefully inspire them. It's slowly working. I've had a few people come forward asking how to go about it, our young Maori children, which is a W for me. No donut, how about cake? No bad food whatsoever, bro. I'm pretty much fasting for the whole day. The only thing that'll last, bro, is just the stuff I carve. It'll outlast me anyway. Hey, Chur Whanau. Hey, brother. So normally in a traditional setup, women weren't allowed to carve, mainly because this particular art form, we carve our ancestors who are obviously gone, like passed on to the next life. And women are the complete opposite when they bring life into the world, which we call te whare tangata, translated to the house of man. So that's what that means. cheers from Canada, bruv. Bro, love to see it, brother. It's good to hear, bro. So I bumped into a little kid on the weekend who watches the YouTube videos, and really good kid. He actually goes to my old high school, and he was asking how to go about carving as well and what he should do. I was like, because he was a shy kid as well, he's got a photo with him, like, it's the best thing I can do for them other than passing on advice. Donuts are yummy. Yeah, they are, but unfortunately, if I want to get skinny, unless you have some magic prayer that makes any type of food make me go skinny, I'm gonna train. Go green food nation. What's Donnie up to? Okay. Now I know the meaning of moving through to outer space. In my heart, something to what I'm doing. Nobody can control this feeling. Take my hand, light the earth. Show me what is real. Sorry, finally just looking for a chisel. Can't seem to find it. The one I'm looking for. There it is, right in front of my bloody face. Hey, Chur Thunder. Sneaky Toshi. Hey, Chur bro. Hey buddy, how you been? Well and healthy. Hey man. I'm good bro, thank you very much for asking. How you been bro? Melbourne COVID update, 8 new cases, curfew will be lifted tonight. Nice Fanta. Oh god, stay inside. Curfew's over. Oh wait, I was watching last night's news on YouTube. The man, the myth, the legend. Hey brother, how are you? Just flattening the top of the teeth. Just like meditation for you. You could say that, yeah. This is where I feel the most zen, if that makes sense. Okay, yeah, these look all good, so we'll move on to these ones now. Hey Diego, gee brother, what song was he singing a minute ago? Which one was that? Rocket Ship by LAB. We'll play them soon, not yet though. Just trying to be all dental and all that and do this without smacking any teeth out. It's all good, it's lifted, but striker mask rule, which is good. Oh, cheer. Chur Carnage, you have a good one too, brother. Much appreciated. No donuts for the next 4 weeks. That's a lie. Nah, bro, it's not. Hey man, how's your day coming along? Yeah, it's all good now, brother. I had a bit of a hiccup. We're trying to start the stream this morning. Lost quite a bit of the day. But yeah, it's all good. We're on now. So let's go. How you been, Sneaky Tashi? Sure, Marcus Munchie, have a good sleep, brother. I prefer cupcakes over donuts personally, but I see the appeal. Hey, Broxh from Welly. Chur Drex Project. Wait. Hold on, is that the real one? Well, you just a fan, brother. You could be, because they said they watch. Is it the real Drex Project? Hey brother, enjoy. Cheers, Sebo. You have a good one too, brother. Nah, we just set up. Might stream sometime in the future. Love your streams, brother. Holy cow, it is Drex Project. Holy shit. Bro, sorry I can't play your music, but yeah, because of the DMCA rule. Thanks for dropping in, bros. Holy cow. Hey, that's pretty mean. Buzzy. Can we get some kia oras in the chat for Drex Project, please? Joe Bolter boy, how are you, brother? Gee, I'll chuck some kia oras in too. I feel like I'm gonna snap this soon. Love the YouTube video with Auntie. Cheers, Sebo. Yeah, definitely something to remember. It's my birthday today, but there's kind of a new viewer. Technically, I've been watching you for a year. A year? Have you? Created on the 24th of September? Cheer, Bolter boy, too much, alright. Seeping Brains. Cheer for the sub, brother. Started whittling Thor's Mjolnir for a necklace because of you. Thanks for the inspiration, man. Keep it up. Cheer, brother. That's pretty cool. Just turning it around. What's the project for Broxh? To sell the clients or just to sell? I don't keep any of my carvings, bro. Unless I really want to, which is hardly ever. The joy I get is doing it. But I'm waiting to see if Garnet comes back, because I don't have his contact info. So talented? No, average brother, average is. This is the longest jet theme in NZ. Ever since I started watching. True, brother. Is there a playlist? Oh, it's just jet theme song from Final Fantasy X. He's just one of my favourite characters from the whole entire franchise, along with, what's his name, Gladiolus? Mainly because he executed a mullet. Like, just because he's got a mullet on Final Fantasy, that's pretty much the only reason. What are your thoughts on smoking? Waste of money? I don't know. I don't smoke, bro, so I don't really care. People can do whatever they want with their lungs, brother. Is wood carving complicated? Only if you make it complicated. It's pretty simple once you get your head around it. It's all good. But are you into anime or Broadway? Probably anime, brother. Only time I ever got into Broadway was when they did The Lion King. It's not a silly question at all, brother. I think a silly question would be, I actually don't know one, to be honest, so I'll just leave it there. Oh, just singing. Yeah, just singing, bro. That's about it. Trying to sing, I should say. Thunder Punch taught me how to sing. Do you have a PO box? Nah, I don't, brother. Yeah. There's a reason why I don't have a PO box, because people will spend money just to send stuff. And nope. One day, but not yet. I mean, if you want my PO box that bad, add me on WoW. Send the amounts through, brother. What does EGL mean? I actually don't know, eh? How are you? Refreshed Ed. I'm all good, brother. Yeah, I'm all good. Thanks for asking. Hope you are too, bro. Rosex, how long does it take you to finish one? If I wasn't doing this on Twitch, it would have been finished like just over 2 weeks. Nah, screw the gold. I'll just have the tiger, the Zolian tiger. I don't want gold. Those Cole's cookies will have to wait then, Broxh. Send the empty boxes over here. You got your Brewfest now? Nah, I haven't been on lately. Been on the beta. Bro, this might be my favourite carving you've ever done. Oh, true, brother. Glad you like it, bro. What's this about? Donuts? Oh, true, Valeen. Yeah, so I'm dieting for the next few weeks for a wedding. Not mine. Give them to Thunder Punch. There he is, chat. That's who taught me how to sing. Thunder Punch. If you want to learn from the best, add the best. Okay. And yes, I'm left-handed. Have you streamed well before? Nah, brother, never. Such an awesome moment that was. Chur Whanau, have a good one, brother. Like no meme chat, I'm glad there's gonna be no new Skyrim on PlayStation 5. Man, that shit migrated like a pack of ducks through all the consoles, eh? Sorry to all the Skyrim boys out there, boys and girls. Hey, Captain Squizzle. Just dropping by to say kia ora, off to bed now. Cheer, Captain Squizzle. Have a good sleep, brother. Okay. So if anyone's wondering what this particular carving is, it's a Poupou. Now, these kind of carvings are usually within our meeting houses. So these are kind of like how we portray our ancestors, but because I don't name pieces that are going to be sold or anything, because it's not a good idea to name a piece after an ancestor and then sell it, if that makes sense. So most of the pieces I do, yeah, just the forms that we use. Hold on, find it. It's getting hot now. Yo, Chris, thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. But thank you, brother. Do you watch UFC? Yeah, just when Izzy fights. It's got to support NZD. He shut him up, that's for sure. And he went and dry. RB Duck and 6 Raikul me. Thank you guys for the subs, or for subbing. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. Since I got to spend some time with family, all good. Cheesecake, always good to spend time with family, brother. Have a good one. While I'm building something for my mum. Oh, nice mango. Is he humping Costa at the head noise process? Yeah, man. That was pretty hyped though, that fight. Ooh. Even when they were standing there and he was like, Romero! I was like, oh! He got you, mate. I started watching Game of Thrones. It seems like everything has Umbridge, Red Dead, like Game of Thrones, Joffrey. Who are my favourites from Game of Thrones? Probably Drogon. Wolf, he's badass. Khal Drogo. And who's better, Quint 6'9" or Israel Adesanya? What, at a fight? I mean, or just, I don't know what the angle is for that. Or Poupou. I found your TikTok. A lot of people look up to you. Yeah, I need to upload on that. Gee, brother. Yeah, that's a lot of push, but all I can do is just try and be the best role model or something as I can. I mean, no doubt if I start playing games I might spurg out a bit, but it's just part of it. Provide the laughs. Can't wait to see this finish, bro. Me too, brother. Everyone's man sword is clean, I'll strangle him. He's the man, I like the hound. Hey, is that an Elohim emote? It was so good. Ah, boy. Oh, Cactus Jack. Cactus Jack sent me? Gotta be there to train them as Michaels. I will travel across the land, searching for a wife. Each Pokemon will understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. I see what you did there. You teach me and I'll teach you, Pokemon. Man, I remember watching the first Pokemon movie when I was a kid. And buzzing right out at the different versions of the starters. I was like, oh, that Pokemon, or that Charizard's got tiger stripes. Nostalgia level 9000. Hard, brother. We win. Thank you very much for the bits, man. I really appreciate it. Just remember, in these hard times, it's always good to look after yourself first. So use your money on you too. Or you, I should say. Yo, Iron Mark, brother. Much appreciated for the sub, my dude. You didn't have to, but thank you. Gotta catch 'em all. I'll find it, just knocking these out and then I'll come back to the chat. Boom. I still have that movie in VHS. Damn! Who's that Pokemon? Must be windy there. Yeah. It's it hit pretty hard this morning. Love from the Philippines. Hey, Exotics. Rogue, I can't be the nicest dude, but watching you makes me want to make something. Oh, off you go. Make something, brother. I'm eating cake. Oh, it must be nice. I had coffee for breakfast this morning. No milk, no sugar, just straight. Have you tried carving stone? Yes, I have. Stone and bone, brother. But in terms of that realm, this is where my heart is, bro. Gotta catch 'em all. What music is on in the background? Skyrim. Nice and free of DMCAs. Is that profile pic new? Yeah, it's me. Just thought I'd use a photo of myself for once. I'll probably change my Twitter one too. My Instagram one's all good. Shout out to the bro that did that too. Searching for one. Holy cow. Oh, Bolter boy. Okay, yep, Pokemon Age is nostalgic, but what about old Mario games? Besides that, I've also played Mario Bros. I actually never owned a Nintendo, eh? I was more of a Mega Drive. Is Ryan still your favourite Overwatch character? I haven't played in a long time, but yeah, pretty much. All good? Whakairo gear and say less. Okay, so the king one of it. You are magical and inspirational. I hope your day is amazing. Thank you, Smoke Screens. I hope you have a good day too, brother. I was a Nintendo kid. Oh. Yeah, I only had a Mega Drive. That's why that where I grew up thing that was going around on Twitter, that's on the added Sonic. The power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Oh, I have so much nostalgia over the DS. Yeah, so what did I? I remember when I got my Game Boy Color that my mum was paying off every week until Christmas, and man, I lost it, eh? Like, she got that in red. Still remember my big ass smile that I had on my face. You look who this. Hey, Sinasta, welcome, brother. Chur Whanau. This is man carving, you know. Oh, Pro Mountains. As long as you enjoy, brother, that's all that matters too. Wrinkly Rink, thank you very much for the sub, brother. If you're new here, my man, much appreciated. Just remember you can hold on to your money just to look after yourself with what's going on around the world. That goes for you too, Daz. Okay, let's do this. Much appreciated, guys. Thank you. Those all going the same way. Well, what server you're playing well? Barthelus and Frostmourne, brother. Of your work, keep up the mahi. You're a proud representation of New Zealand people. You're a beautiful human being. Oh, thank you, MC Knocknees. Too, brother. Ah, jeez, I don't know, man. These Mario Lego's been the man child I am. I bought some. Oh, true, bro. Thank you for the bits there. You can say without them, Bolter. Oh, Texas Hula. Hey, Brox's piece is coming along epic, but thank you, Texas Hula. Much appreciated, brother. No, you didn't have to resub, my bro, but thank you. Now, everyone, if you want to check out wood turning, Texas Hula is the best place to go. Go and check him out. Give him a follow as well. So we're just prepping the design at the moment. Not doing it, we're prepping it. You ever thought about doing a live stream? Yeah, ages ago. Just gotta get proper internet first. You said you have a Mega Drive. What was your favourite game? Oh, I had one. Just Sonic, bro. That's all I ever played. Nico, that's some amazing progress. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, we're getting there. So I'm mainly cutting out the designs that go in between. I might fix these lines up. Some of them need to be touched up, but I will do that after. Can check some talent. Oh. Man, you're mad talented too, bro. I love watching your wood turnings. Nice setup as well, bro, in your shed. Saints and sinners are quite the same. What up, Dad? Greetings from Mexico too. Hey, your master. Are the carvings painted later on, or do people keep them as they are as a natural state? It all depends, eh? Like there are some carvings that are painted. Usually the ones that sit outside are painted, but it's all really personal preference. I actually wouldn't mind painting carving on stream, being my first one if I ever did it. How do you get the symmetry right? Take your time. That's all it comes down to, really, for me. But yeah, take your time, that helps. I think to myself, I am. Ooh, I am. Do-do-do-do-do. I am. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Skills, bro. That's alright. I need to get better. What type of wood are you using, and did you decide to use that type? No, it's just what I had. So this wood here is Cody, brother. It's just all I had, really. It's given to me, and yeah. Well, the fantasy hasn't led. All the children are gone. Just so relaxing. Thank you. I'm gonna sneeze. I hate that when that happens. Oh, thank you to for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, but much appreciated, my bro. Cheerio, Mr. Blunts. Kia ora, bro. Oh my gosh. Ogie B, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Oh. Baby, let me love you now. So many ways to love you. Baby, I can take you now. Just read the Instagram message about what your teacher told you. Amazing to see your progress and knowing that the fact that you're already far more inspirational than everyone else. Oh, Chur peeling. Yeah, that one of my posts, eh? Yeah. Haven't seen him in a while and not gonna go out of my way to see him. Have a Twitch Prime, would you like me to give it to you? Oh, old mate, I'm not gonna persuade you to do whatever you want, brother. That's yours. You can hold on to it for yourself. I'm not one to simp for so big for them, brother. I'll just tell everyone, do what you want. You can't hold it. It is an option. Salty Dreams and old mate. Hell, he did it. You pulled my arm enough. Yeah. Thank you guys for the subs. Much appreciated. Just remember with what's going on, hold on to your money. But much appreciated, whānau. So whānau is family, and that's what I call you guys. Just so if anyone's wondering. Just, wow, why does he say that word so much? I don't know, ask him. No, you ask him. I'm too shy. Why are we yelling? Hey, Limbo. Cheer, brother. Twin B, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, though. Hello to Viprin. What's this? Hello, guys. And, that looks lovely. Thank you, man. Holy cow. Link Ultra, sorry I haven't been able to watch, but I hope you... No need to be sorry at all, bro. Like, you watch when you can. I don't expect everyone to turn up every day to watch. But thank you, Link Ultra. You already know you didn't have to, brother. Current piece is looking amazing. Yeah, it's getting there, eh? I think we might try and cut the side of the teeth out. Yeah, we'll do that, eh? Wonder if I can still play this Uncle Iron mix. Surely. Oh damn. People's all day. No yes. And Laggy B. Yeah, thank you guys for the subs. Didn't have to. Just make sure you look after yourselves before me, eh? Or before subbing to me, I should have said. Much appreciated, Father.
Please sit. Why don't you enjoy a cup of calming?
Okay, what do I need to do now? Teeth. Chur no use. Been a big fan of Bolero and Fire by Cooking Forest and sorry song at top tier. Yeah, there's some pretty top tier tunes in there. I think my favourite would have to be the Owl's theme song. I like the Owl. He's pretty chilly. Butchered him in the live production, definitely, bro. Yeah, they butchered him pretty hard, eh? Or they butchered the whole movie, but you know. Whoever did it do a very good job, I would say. Not a very good job. But I think that's why they've got another attempt at it, whoever's doing it. Just got attacked by 4 magpies. Oh, tennis racket, bro. That always does wonders. Hope you enjoy your day, docs. Chur, Nianta tips. Chur, my bro. Gotta give the old owl his dues. Lots of people hate him, but he's only out to help.
Well, happens to give pretty good advice. Great tea.
Life happens wherever you are, whether you make it or not.
So this is our next thing. We have to like pop all of these tags out, all these wood tags. That's what we're gonna do now too.
The other elements and the other nations will help you become whole.
I used to get told to put fake eyes on the back of my helmet. Yeah, you can do that. You just put them on the back. Because we used to get magpies in my hometown too, but we used to have like baseball bats and tennis rackets. And they left us alone after that, pretty much. So you do it. So this is all we have to do. So I'll show you here. So we'll do the top one. So we've got a check cut here. Much love the Jack Champion. Cheers, bro.
from only one place,
it becomes rigid and stale. Okay, yep, so we'll pop these out now. So it's a real repetitive thing, but it all helps out towards the end. Just popping all of these out. The Uncle Irish song. Chur Jack, yeah. Of course I'll say your name, bro. I'm not a snob. I may miss comments here and there, but my bad. Just do you come up with the piece as you go? No. So everything I do, bro, has been passed down through the generations from our ancestors, and like the designs and all that too. What I'm just doing off the top of my head is the layout of the design, but still keeping it in that traditional look or setup, if that makes sense. So put so much love on your craft. Yeah, just what I love to do, really. Says GG and Hercules. Thank you guys for the subs. Much appreciated, Whanau. You didn't have to, but thank you. Hey JT, yeah, I'm all good today, bro. Had a bit of a rocky start to the old stream. I wasn't going properly, so yeah, but we're all good now. So even though we're cutting these sections, these tags out, that's not even what it's supposed to look like. There's more to it. Chur Jack, yeah, you're the champion here, brother. It's my first time here. How's it going? Gar, we saw. Hey, brother, welcome. How's it going? Yeah, all good, bro. So we'll check out this other side now. So I'll do this row just so you can get like a fair idea of what it's hopefully gonna look like here. I'll drop this down too.
People see me and think of me. They want to take care of me. But I can take care of myself by myself.
You sound like my nephew.
Did you ever practice geometry to get better at carving angles? Nah, not at all. So with our ancestors, bro, they didn't. It was all pretty much by eye. Because all the inspiration for our designs came from nature, and what better example than to use nature itself for the angles and whatnot, instead of like that type of stuff. Nums, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You did not have to, but thank you, bro. Okay. Hold on for a minute. What's going on? How much planning do you do before you start? Oh, not much, eh? Getting ready to say this music is legit. So I'll do this entire row of pākatis just so you can see what it looks like when it's fully done. Oh, it looks beautiful. Thanks, brother. Cody was used to make the first tradition surfboards. Was it? Wasn't it koa wood? Oh, an anonymous cheerer. Thank you, Mr. Ghostman. You didn't have to. Well, thank you. Hey, the dumbest pole leg too, brother. Did someone redeem a hydrate? Can't see it. The dumbest pole leg. Yo, shop for the gifteds, brother. You didn't have to. You know, you've been here for long enough. Well, much appreciated, brother. Ciao to Berkeley. So much time in the day too. Can't believe it's almost 2. I redeemed the hydrate. Did you? Oh, okay. Skim up water. What happened? Okay, let me get this hydrated.
Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Have a Kit Kat. Okay, here we go. Digga digga digga. Jeez. Do you surf? Nah, I would like to learn how to though. Straight up. And with summer coming up as well, it would be good. Jeez, my Nami heat. Oh, TFB Pigeon. Hey, thanks for the 2 months in a row, brother. My bro. Oh, come on with the ads, YouTube.
Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
You have a break. Oh, jeez. Got double whammy. The camera needs a push check. Okay, let me just go through comments just in case I miss some. Nice fit, bro. Cheer, brother. Okay. Let's do this road just so I can show you what it should look like, hopefully. There. Have a Kit Kat. Oh damn, well I hope you can enjoy the sun soon. Ah, all good brother. I want to make a kayak in wood, but probably sink however if I can afford till summer. Oh true, you want to make a kayak? Bro, that's pretty neat. Sebo, it's autumn? No, spring, sorry. So we just do these. Can you cook me a bacon and eggs? Oh, when you can. Yeah, I'll just move the cover. Or I'll just scoff it fast off the camera. You got this song in my head, not from Chur Libre. Encarnacio. Hey? Encarnacio. Encarnacio. Yeah. Oh? Huh? Yeah. Oh, nah, 2 eggs. Oh, not that bad. I'm going to bed. Good night. Cheers, Sebo. You have a good sleep, brother. Thank you for tuning in. Complex UK. Welcome. Thank you very much for subbing. You didn't have to, but thank you, brother. You watched Chur Libre recently? No, I just found out one of the mods quotes it quite a lot. Thought I'd jump on the bandwagon. Because I used to do it heaps at school with one of my good mates. I remember one of these ladies when we were walking home, she must have been tripping on something. And I just looked at the bro and then he looked at me and went, look, and that over there's a crazy lady. My life is good. Yeah, so this is what we're going to do, like these little notches here. I just got to fix the back up. That over there is a chipmunk's nest. You know how him and Esqueleto are like bros, well just picture 2 nachos. That's pretty much us. Then I saw them kick you on your face, okay? You want a piece of me? And I got the squares. Good night, Mr. Broxh. I love seeing you do what you love. Have a good one. Thank you, Dark Saw. Have a good one, brother. Thank you for tuning in. Cheer, my bro. Do you ever cut yourself? Nah, never. Hey, tacarese. I need to watch those other 2. I haven't seen those ones. You're perfect at his impression. Oh, I don't know about that one, brother. Ixakun, thank you very much for subbing, brother. Hey, much appreciated, my brother. You didn't have to, brother, but thank you. Well, the smaller cuts make everything pop out. Just great job, brother. It's looking awesome. Thank you, bro. Yeah, we're getting there. Reckless Mozzie, yo, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Hey man, thanks for the sub. Hi, my name's Cork. This pile of rocks waving at you. I'm kinda like the leader around here. tried to start a revolution but didn't print enough pamphlets, and the only guy that turned up was my mother's boyfriend, and I hate him. So as a Brewmaster in Shadowlands, which Covenant got you the most hyped? Puling. I haven't played Brewmaster in a bit. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll try it soon. I've been playing a bit of Prop Paladin. And we might do a movie night. Yeah, but you gotta stay unmuted though so we can hear it. Good morning from Kyoto, Japan. Oh, I hope you're well, Broxh. Claypool Games. Hey brother, damn, morning over there. Hey brother. Posture check. Already? I keep missing them. Well, alright then. Man, Puling Prop Paladin is so stupidly fun. Like, there's a Covenant ability that lets you throw out 6 shields at once. Thoughts on Taika Waititi? Boy. Nah, he's cool, he's the man. Ugh. The hammer pulled you off. Oh. Much love from Portugal. Hey, brother. How do I say this name? Okay, can I attempt this, brother? Maru Yo Fausto? Jeez, I hope I said that right, brother. Joe? Does carvings hurt your back? I mean, if it's low, like this low, yeah, it's gonna hurt your back. Because you're doing good mornings consistently. Okay. Thank you. Good evening from Texas. Hey. Katega. Cause all my exes live in Texas. Well, that's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. People can say what I don't know what to do. Like that one love. Chippy boy, love. Woorie, love you, Broxh. Hey, much love to you too, brother. Thank you very much for that, my bro. You did not have to. Well, thank you, brother. Just gotta switch it around, whānau. So, with this design as well, you can like cut it, but sometimes when you hit it from different angles, it'll end up being a different size. I just did it then and I went, oops, turn them around. Boy, don't play the fool. I don't want you playing that way. Oops. One job. Okay. Who's got crazy? Hey, red bands, aka everyday shoe. Is that just a flathead screwdriver? No, it's just a chisel I grind it into a skew. I don't know what to do. I like thunder. Jimmy boy going under. You think so we don't see? Oh, where you go? Enemy number one. Walking through the streets alone. So I like the close-up so you can see all the small details. Right, chicken son of a gun. people talk about up in your town. And I don't know what to do because of going back to school. I might cut these in a bit more into the wall just to add a bit more to it. I don't want you playing that way. That's pretty buzzy. Drake's project was here, eh? I'm gonna head out. Cheers, Mr. Blunts. Have a good day, brother. Hey, man, the man, greetings, Broxh. How are you today? I am doing all good, bro. Thank you very much for asking. I hope you're doing well too, brother. Sandy Phantom, what's that for, brother? I got you, Reb. Hey, Reb. What, bro? How's life? Yeah, it's all good. Cold at the moment, but we'll survive. We'll definitely survive. You're the dirty rascal, man. Oh, all about the play. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. The Twitch Prime even. Damn, you didn't have to, my bro. Much appreciated. Hey, cheer, Rizzy boy. Really good, man. I start watching. Greetings from Mexico. Hey, Jamie. Thank you very much for tuning in, and the bits as well. How you been, brother Rizzy? Hello to Necro, and Razor. What do you do if you make a mistake? We don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. We carry on. A busy mama. Hey. Love just chilling here, listening to your corded, or unlike other streams, I can actually get some of my own mahi done while tuning in. Hey, much appreciated. Thank you for the bits too, you didn't have to. Ooh, Rizzy boy on that tea. I grow weak and must surrender to the pillow. Cheer, Peely, you have a good one. Mushi, thank you very much for the sub, my dude. You didn't have to, but you did. But thank you, brother. Wonder if I can add a counter, eh? I would like to see how much times I say it, because that'll show you how much times people aren't listening. Okay, let's cut this one out. It just looks out of place. This weather seems nice there. Oh, it's just getting ready to rain again, brother. Yeah. What tasty snacks are you gonna eat this month instead of donuts? In terms of snacks, man, probably nothing, to be honest. Well, listen selectively. Here it is. I'm just gonna start doing these properly now. When the heart of the man is faded, you see I try to make a difference, but the head of the heart keep burning away. In the world that your love is gone, ain't no use. Looks like rain may be coming. Yeah, bro, definitely is. Still feels like summer over here. Must be nice. How long does it take to complete a piece? It all depends how much time you put into it. Like, if I did this off stream, probably just over 2 weeks. Just pretty much doing your work, not talking to anyone. That's cool and all, but then it gets boring, eh? Got no one to talk to. Start being a robot. I think that's what I miss most about being at the Carving Institute, just having no one to talk to while I'm working. But yeah, they got that sorted now. I get to talk with you guys. Ooh, I smell chips. Very front heading up north, South Island is rough here. True, brother. Yeah, that'll probably hit us soon then. True mods, and hello to Luca. How's it going? I'm good, brother. Just doing a bit of this today. And Jimbo Jet, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, bro. But much appreciated. Carving Institute, is there like uni? Yeah, better than uni because they can't teach it. Universities don't teach this. They teach normie subjects like, you know, oh, I don't know, I didn't want to go to uni. So we have Whare Whanau, which is similar to a university, but they have like other subjects like outside of the norm as well. Carving, for instance. But there's a particular carving school that I went to that it's the most prestigious one that we have. Oh, I don't know, Onga. Just you. We're both busy, eh? Both doing our own things. Because I know he's busy up at the Institute. Been going for visits now and again. It happens when it happens, I guess. Because they've got a few pieces they need to get done up there. From what I've seen. Are you by the water? No, just underneath the rain. Speedy Gonzalez, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to. Well, much appreciated. Why is it cold out there? Yeah, it's pretty nippy. Never seen the change. Cause when you feel like you got nowhere to go, it's one of the best sounds. Yeah, CJ, definitely one of the best sounds. Hey, Peril, I assume it's from people. It's for people in NZ. No, not really. It's yeah, this is a commission piece now. It was just a piece to have fun, really. But someone has shown interest in. Sorry, I thought I was gonna do a regurg burp. Those are the worst. Does the temperature outside make the wood easier or harder to carve? No, not really. Just carve it. Hello, Triggs and Dozer. Ain't nobody gotta know no more. Ain't nobody gotta know no more. Out of control with the burning aim. You ever think about singing on the side? You have a great voice? Nah, I used to do it as a job, like cultural performances, like doing the haka and that. Kind of bored of it now. I used to do opera as well. First time watching. Hey, welcome, bro. I don't have a site, Keegan. I do everything by talking to the people. I don't really think that's a cool way to do it. But that's just my opinion for what I do. Rather make a connection with the person that wants a piece. Going to look for some wood this week too. So there might be a day where I don't stream. Do you like any specific kind of carving? Just Maori carving, though. How do you feel about the haka being one of the main ways outsiders learn about Maori culture? Oh, good. As long as they're learning. The thing I don't like is when people that have no tie within the Maori culture abuse it just to make their own gain or like profit or whatever. Been seeing that a lot lately, and it's really ratchet to see. Sucks, but oh well, not much you can do about it. Hold off on it. Okay, sorry, I'm back now. Yo, Superman. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. Sorry if I know I was stuffing my face on the side. Just ate my lunch. I wasn't comfortable with eating in front of you guys. Just to get those fats in, good fats. It's so beautiful, this thing you do. Oh, thanks, bro. Yeah, it's alrighty. Aeon Remnant, thank you very much for subbing, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though, but thank you. Mukbang stream. Maybe after the wedding, eh? So I can eat heaps. But I mean, of smash like a Big Mac in 2 bites. So your soda says no donuts. Are you trying low sugar, low carb is the best? No, sir, I'm just not eating bad. I don't do carb backloading. So I'm going to do 10 days without carbs, just like flush my system out. So I'm just eating fats during the day and then I'm going to have proteins at night. It's like, yeah, bacon and eggs and whatnot. Similar to their keto stuff, but different. No, not my wedding. Bad code words. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, but thank you, brother. Yeah, it's one of Mrs. Brox's cousins is getting married in October, and I pretty much couldn't be bothered losing the lockdown weight, but now I have to because of that. So I thought, why not? Go to the gym too. Are you going to the wedding or are you in the wedding? Just going either way. Yeah, I'm not going to wear a suit though. It gets really hot in Mrs. Brox's hometown, so I'm just going to... some faded mustard pants maybe. I can't wear my gumboots, so I got to look for footwear. She will wring my bloody neck if I try and wear gumboots to a wedding. Had me happy as chip. Bloody mate. Yeah, probably a nice dress shirt. Maybe short sleeves, depending on how hot it is. Just try and dress for the weather, eh? I would love to wear my gumboots, but I'd rather avoid the argument as well. What if just can make gummies like dress shoes? Imagine. Wear those Mario shoes. No, I don't plan on wearing them, eh? I haven't even put them on. I've just, yeah. I'll try them on when I buy some new socks and then I'll take them off and put them away. I am Bell, thank you very much for the sub as well, man. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. Where's Mrs. Broxh from, if you don't mind me asking? From a small coastal town, brother, that's all I'll say. Moisturous. Hey! Hey bro! Not Bush. How are you, man? How's your sculptures going? Can we get a shout out for the bro, please? Another amazing artist, Whanau. Man, I'm sure you would have finished that DK by now. Oh, get out of here with your ride-on mower. Is Cody similar to basswood to wood? Basswood? Might be, brother. I haven't really carved much timber outside of my country. Good brother, been working on and lurking with you. Oh, nice. Thanks for tuning in, brother. Yeah, go and check him out as well, Whanau. Definitely a talented artist as well. And his stream setup, I love the stream setup here with the camera you have on the harmonica rig. I don't know what to call it, so I'll call it a rig. Got nowhere to go. Oh, mahi he can. Chur Whanau. Chur infected mushroom. How are you, bro? How do I purchase this? So this one's actually a commission piece now, brother. So I usually, so I just took my first lot of commissions. I'm only taking 5 at a time, and they're full. So there might be no stream on Friday. Might go and see the woodman, see if he's got any good pieces that I can buy for the stream. Say on and on, live their fantasy. I love the texture of this carving. I wouldn't mind being able to resist touching it in person. Wouldn't be able to resist. Oh, it's all good. Yeah. So one experience I've had, brother. So we actually had a school with blind for the blind. So it was all these kids, and because we had so much fully designed carvings, we let them run their hands along, and the big smiles that they're showing here was a cool moment. It was a really cool moment that I always remember. And then they started to mask out the face, like, oh, this is a nose, and then they were asking what this section was here, like this section, and oh, that's the eye. Then they felt the teeth, and oh, this is a mouth. Yeah. One of the coolest moments I've experienced. Do I know who Stephen Adams is? Yeah, brother, I know who he is. I don't know him personally, but I know who he is. You're begging, please, for the love of family. I heard it's snowing there. It's snowing in certain parts of the country, brother. Not so much here, though. Singing stream wind. Oh, bro, I don't even know, bro. We don't have good internet inside the house. I'm actually using an IRL backpack to stream from Twitch NZ. You're begging, please, for the love of family. Yeah. Hold on, Whanau. Just try and get these little wood tags out. I think Broxh and Stephen Adams would get along well. Yeah, he's cool. I love watching him play. Interfire, subscribe at tier 1. Yo, thanks, brother, for the 2 months. Much appreciated, brother. Everyone wants this mukbang, eh? Okay, then. Yep, so you hold me to this. Hold me to this, guys. So after this wedding, we'll have a mukbang stream. So that's 4 weeks from now. I mean, we could have one now, but it'll be healthy food, but I feel like it wouldn't be the same. What do you guys say? Yes? No? Yes? Produce so many legends, it's not funny. Oh damn. Yo, Interfoy. Thank you for the gifteds, brother. Holy cow, you gave 5. Bro, that's heaps. Bro, you didn't have to do that. Thank you, brother. Oh, check these legends out saying thank you as well. Buckbag, carrots and cabbage. Oh, because that sounds fun. I'll be like, no, can't do it. Need chocolate, need everything. Yeah, I'll cook it. Oh, we'll cook it first and then we'll stream us eating it. Instead of like getting it. Might have to do a boiler. Fat man with a limp, kia ora, bro. So I still gotta cut that. Oh, so there it is there. So we got to carve this side now. So I got to turn it around again. Snacking on some pretzels in the tavern. Damn! Why you gotta swear at me like that, man? Oh, get out of it with your mower, bro. Also, greetings from Greenland. Hey, is the Greenlander? Chew, brother. How much did all your tools cost? They $3,000 all up, but I got them for free because the institute I went through to upskill. So if you pass, so they supply you with your chisels. If you pass, you get to keep them, and they'll last you for at least. If you carve 20 meeting houses. Lawnmower ASMR. Oh, there was some shitty mowing. Yeah, or carpet. Oh, or concrete, sorry. If I'm ever going looking for gardening advice, Fanta, I'm coming to you. We planted our stuff on the weekend too. Just some flowers and some strawberries. Oh, Kiss Anime Auckland uploaded a new video on TikTok. Hold on, Whanau. Just want to make sure I get these angles. See what it tastes like. Plant some strawberries. Yeah, we did. I planted my stuff too. I see you. I see you. Yeah, my me and my baby and my wahine, we got some gardening stuff on the weekend. We just pretty much went into the warehouse, let her in the greenhouse place, and she grabbed anything she wanted, and that's what we planted. My Fijers are getting nice and fat. About a month until harvest. I'm guessing. Ooh, Fijers. You mean the green? No, I don't do that. Yeah, wood Wood's easy to carve if you got sharp chisels or sharp tools. Go with the grain, easier to carve. Esse. I need to do that with my humans too. Yeah, we just thought, oh, we'll see if she'd want to get into gardening. Because she likes being outside. She's a bit of a nature kid and animals there. I mean, that's how I was at a young age too. Kind of, what is that? This is Cody, but native timber to New Zealand. Your carving looks epic. It's alright, brother. Yeah. What's your TikTok if you have one? Just the same as my Twitch name. I'll just use it to watch Real Breaking Nate and all of them for their... Oh god, someone gave $20. Damn it. That notification's not bloody working, is it? Oh, that's right. Crash Bandicoot's almost out. Thank you for the $20. Oh man. Sorry for the notification. You didn't have to though. Crazy things you see. Trying to plan from the 70s this weekend, so hopefully the kitchen remodeling is done so I can start restoring the heavy bastard. Where was the raid yesterday? Yeah, I raided Mr. Fanta Pants, but it didn't work for some reason. Then I did it again and then it went through. It was weird. Your energy. Hopefully it doesn't do it again today, because that was quite annoying. It won't go if I try. If you invite me to New Zealand, I'm about to freeze my nuts off in Canada soon. Oh bro, I prefer the cold over the summer. I hate summer. It's a catastrophe romance. Hold on, Whanau. Here it is. At least with cold you can bundle up. How do you become the ideas for the design? So they've all been passed down by my ancestors, brother. Every design and mold that I do. 100 degrees F for the next few days. Can always cover up with extra layers but can't take off so many. Yeah. A bay full. At the moment, brother, I'm not taking any more commissions on. My list is pretty much full. I only take on 5 at a time. Money for the company. Your energy. Hold on, Whanau. Pop there, pop there. Porn is not good if you're single. Oh, jeez. Did you just blow on the carving? Yeah. Do you want to know why? I can tell you if you want. I know you're probably thinking, oh, that's tapu, you're not supposed to do that. But I'll give you the reason why. I do not mind. How do you fix a mistake on your carving? You don't, you just leave it there, brother. You don't make mistakes, you make adjustments. Why do you blow on the wood? So there's two like different protocols, or how do I say this? Not very good at explaining it. Statuses, I would say, for carving. Now the first one is tapu, that's the main one. So tapu means sacred. Hold on. Oh, I don't like that song. So there's two like ways you can carve under, or status. So the first one is tapu, so that means sacred. Now when you're carving under the banner of tapu, there are a few things that you can't do. So you can't let any women around it. Now the reason why, as I said earlier, is that women bear the next generation, and this art form is surrounded around carving the ones that have passed on. So it's not good to mix life with death. And another thing you can't do is blow on the carving, and that's an imitation of trying to be like Tane Mahuta, who brought the first human into the world, who was a woman, breathing the breath of life into the wood, which happens to be his children, because he's the god of the forest as well. It's disrespectful. Now, and you can't eat around it too. You're carving if you're carving under that banner. And also, when you finish, or when you start and you finish, you have to do a prayer. And wash your hands too. Now if you're not carving under the sacred banner, under noa, which is not tapu or sacred, you can do these types of things like blow on the carving for the wood chips. Now the reason why there's a new status under for carving like noa is because this was a big aspect for the tourism here, and they wanted the entire world to enjoy it. Now if they carved under sacredness, obviously the women of the world would not be able to see this particular art form within the tourism industry, and obviously we want to showcase it to everyone. Now another reason why, now under sacred, when you're carving an ancestor, you wouldn't necessarily sell it, because that's been disrespectful to your bloodline, your genealogy, and that particular ancestor. You decide to carve the individual, and then you want to sell it, if that makes sense. Mako Ticklebum, chew the brother. Yeah, chew for the 4 months, brother. And can't cannibal bow the barber. Much appreciated. Whānau, you didn't have to. Well, thank you. That's why there's a new status for carving where you can carve under noa, and that's what I carve under here at home, because I'm not here to try and showcase my ancestors being carved. It's just the art form itself. Now I can probably like carve an ancestor on stream, but for me it will feel wrong. And you know, if a tribe requests if you could carve the ancestor, and you don't want to carve the ancestor and people from the tribe are watching, there goes the surprise. This was a bit iffy about carving that taiaha because birthday boy might be watching too. Oh, I see. The family told me he doesn't know what Twitch is, so we won it. That's why I did it. Great name. Love the kōrero behind your mahi bird. Cheer. A busy mama. No biggie. Yeah, so if you ever come to Rotorua in particular, where Maori tourism, it pretty much is the heart of Maori tourism. It isn't at the moment because of where tourism's at due to the virus, but you'll see it a lot. Kane260, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though, my man, but thank you. So when doing a sacred carving, can women be around when it's finished? Yep. It's just during the carving process they can't be around it. Yeah, but once it's finished, it's pretty much there for everyone to enjoy. So when the installation and the unveiling happens, they do another karakia just to bring it into the noa side, so where everyone can be around it or take it all in. Yeah. RG Echo. Oh, this guy. 10 subs. Oh, Blood Dagger. Thank you, bros. You just didn't have to do that. Gee, save your money. Bloody hell. No good. Nah, thank you, man. Really appreciate it, but yeah, as I say, just look after yourselves first. But thank you. The kōrero made me want to go back to my marae. Mean! It's mean! Love to hear it. Just doing the bevel whānau. And then you will get those certain Maori out there that like take shots at me. Oh, he's been disrespectful, showing it to everyone. It's no difference to it being in tourism, really. I just show it because, yeah, we're all stuck inside, we're all in lockdown. Oh, we aren't now, but I still stay home. But yeah, hopefully catch the attention of the younger generation of Maori kids that may want to take this up, just like I did at the age of 12, and walk the path that our ancestors left for us, you know? Oh, that's how I think about it anyway. Thank you again, Blood Dagger. Don't know what I did, brother, but much appreciated, my bro. And I told the Mrs. JT about women not being allowed to. Yeah, all good. Sorry, she thought it's finished and went to a place somewhere she won't go. No, yeah, so JT, it'll be all good once I do your commission. Yeah, she's got nothing to worry about. It'll be all good. So once the carving's done, it'll be pretty much just, yeah, a guardian for your house as well, along with something, a memento or piece. Yeah, she's got nothing to worry about. If you want me to bless it, I will. Yeah, that's pretty much why I did it. I didn't come on here to try and be Mr. Fancy Undies around here. Just came here just to show what I love to do, with the hope that people enjoyed it. And yeah, just make a good place for everyone to chill inspire these young Maori kids that might want to do what our ancestors left for us and catch Pokemon along the way. So when you carve an ancestors, it's just a design that represents something about them. So you know, like how specific to them. Yep. So Roseco, sorry if I said your name wrong. So when carving an ancestor, so I'll give you an example of one of my own. So I have an ancestor, I've told this before, by the name of Tuhoi, and what he's renowned for is killing his older brother, Ueima. So he was the youngest of 3 brothers, but they had a sister as well. But he was the youngest. Now they were known as Ngā Tokotoru Tapua Paewhiti. Now they're the 3 sons of Paewhiti, who was the mother. And so one day, oh damn, someone. Dunkry, thank you very much for the sub, brother. And a busy mama with the bits too. Ngā mihi, you guys, you didn't have to, but much appreciated. So going to my specific ancestor, you know how every tribe has their own specific tribal style, be it flat, sinuous, anything. And a particular design they use as well, because all our designs come from nature, right down to your thumbprint as well. And so with my ancestor, the way he's portrayed is obviously standing, has 2 sticks in his hands, and at the tip is the heart of his older brother. Now they had a big war, so Tuhoi was his name, and his older brother Tāne Moiahi, now he was the middle child. They went to war against the older brother Ueimua, and now in those days, if you wanted to make a big ass statement in front of people's followers, you ate them. And that's what he did. He ate his older brother's heart, took all his mana, like his status, and was his own. And that's the way he's portrayed through the carving that we do within our tribal design and mould that we use, which is this one here, and the certain designs that we use too, which is also this design. And but the only difference being he has his heart, brother's heart on the end of 2 sticks. It's not even 2 sticks, sometimes it's just the heart. But yeah, that's the way that we portray certain ancestors. Now, that's pretty much why we don't carve living people, because our ancestors are more renowned, and they pretty much broke their asses to do what we have today, like our language, our teaching, everything that has to do with the Maori was because of them. That's why we carve them, we honour them. And this is a way, kind of like our personal portraits that we do of our ancestors. Not so much a painting, it's a carving. Yeah. So yeah, that's just a little something, if that helped, brother. Yeah. Now there have been situations where living people are like, oh, can you carve me? And we'll be like, bro, you're in a hurry. Your ancestors ain't ready to see you. And then we sat down with them and explained to them, man, yeah, they're just blown away. And like, yeah, it's not that simple. Yeah. You can hear your kōrero, his papas from Waimana. Hey! Chur the whanaunga. Oh, whanauna. Yeah, I'm from Ruatahuna, so we come off Ruakenana's first wife. Taiaha is an incredible weapon. Seeing people showcase how to use it is impressive. Oh, lovable creep, man, if you want to see one being made. There's some VODs as well. I believe they're still up. If they're not, feels bad, man. But yeah, there's, because we have so many ancestors there, like, that did different things throughout their life. That's kind of the way we did it. Did you catch Izzy's fight yesterday? Yeah, brother. I watched it with the Izanaks. Bye chat. Gotta run. Cheer the socially awkward ginger. Oh, have a good day, brother. And JCR, looking good, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. I am looking good. Quite fit and lean. Nah. Thanks, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Why is there some of the kōrero that I've seen online look similar to the one you did on stream a while ago? And some look more lifelike. Yeah, different carvers, eh, brother? Yeah. So what I did was a whiku. Kōrero's got the big eyes, yeah, the round eyes. Yeah, I ended up putting the eyes in off stream on that mask that we did a while ago, and then off it went. Yeah. Everybody, bye. Guys, gotta go, have a good day. Bye, tino bye. Chur Paku, you have a good one, brother. Okay, I'm gonna cut that one, but we'll be all good. Come together, everybody. Yeah, so Tio Tani, a busy mama. So one of my koroua, yeah, he was living in Waimana too. Te mai koha. Do you have any tips for anyone who wants to get into wood carving either traditionally or just carve wood as a regular hobby? A bayful, just start, find some tools for whatever you want to do in the wood, and yeah, go. That's what I would say. All good, Carls. Hey, T-Pex.
So you want to listen offline?
Yeah, and I want to have no ads, but you keep talking.
No worries. That's all the new music streaming app made by YouTube. Download the YouTube Music app and get a trial of Music Premium on us.
Get out of it. Weed Eaters now shirt. And all I can hear is rocks being hit. Why can't it be an egg? Oh, no one likes an egg, man. A troll. Is this a male or female carving? It's male. It's got no boobs. So yeah, it's a male. Sturdy butter. Hope you had a good weekend, my man. Cheer, my bro. Yeah, it was all good.
Is at the heart of our story and not instead.
It was nice and chill. Wasn't supposed to play that, sorry. I'm back, but now I can't hear audio. Oh, wretched. Is your native language widely spoken in, or is it more local? It's widely spoken within New Zealand, or Aotearoa as we love to call it. Its original name. So we've got to take all these wood tags off, is what I like to call them, as you can see, along here as well. T-Pex, hey, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, though, but thank you, bro. So this is a really old question, but are the private bits ever covered? Nah, they're just shown. You can choose to carve them, or you don't have to. I probably won't carve them because of TOS. It's more just a genealogy, fertility, so you know what it is. Hello, need to blow my nose. How many hours do you usually spend on a piece? Whoa, jeez. I actually don't know. I think the most I've done is like on a large piece, like 6 months, 5 days a week, sometimes 7. But there was a group of us. One of the pieces that I was quite proud of, even though I'm proud of all of them, was the replication we did for the Mātātua marae in Whakatane. So we had to replicate the amo, and had the pleasure of working, or the honour of working on Matatini as well, which is our national kapahaka stage, all hand carved. How many how are you doing today? Yeah, I'm all good. Yeah, sweet ass, man. Definitely expect a sub from me after the semester when I have money, as long as you pass all your classes wherepu, then you're allowed. If you don't, then you come in and watch for free, as I always say. Got a dip, bro. Have a solid rest of the stream. Cheer those the next. Cheer, have a good one. What's your favourite animal? Lion. But I'm quite fond of the red panda. That's what I wanted to do as a kid too. Work in a zoo with red pandas. Yeah. Feed them and get them fat, that's what I thought. Little something something. Red pandas are the best. Tonight is the night I leave. Just looking over it. Just trying to do ones where I'm not getting in the way of the camera. Oh damn, what did I do? Hold on, find it. Oh no, I just went off my comment part. Dude, for gifting Wherepu or somebody. Oh, what a YouTube ads. Oh, I can I take you on? Oh, if the rain's coming in now. Nice to see Channel Pick change to Broxh too, my bro. Yeah, I just thought I'd change it up, eh? Hey bro, what kind of wood do you use? Mainly native timber to Aotearoa, brother. So native timber to New Zealand. This one here in particular is called Kauri. So you spell it K-A-U-R-I, but you can pronounce it like Cody, the name. Just a bit silent on the D. So Cody, not Cody. Good thing the guy finished mowing his lawn. Hard, bro. Yeah, this is going to be us for a bit fun, trying to get some of these tags out. I might do some off stream if you don't mind, or do you want me to save this goodness for you guys, for your guys' viewing pleasure? Are you looking forward to Shadowlands? Yeah, brother. Definitely. Is it ready? I don't know. From what I've seen on the beta. Got to check out where Vol'jin's at. Even though I kind of figured out where he was going to go. It's pretty easy. What a coincidence. And now it's sunny. Easy. You streaming gaming? Nah bro. Kia ora cuz, how are you? Hope you're well today. Cheer deals. Did you see Adesanya's fight? Yep, I think majority of the country did. But yeah, it was cool. He was pretty gassed in that second round. And his leg got slapped up so hard. Do you ever carve non-Maori people, or is that not a done thing? I normally try to stick within Maori wood carving, but I think I'm about to carve my first thing ever outside of my culture. Is it going to be hard? Probably. If only it was a Voltorb, I'd be confident. I reckon I'll make a god tier Voltorb carving. But something I plan to carve for myself is a YouTube play button and a Twitch icon, but with Maori carving influences all throughout it. Let's see how it goes. Can only grow from diversity. Yeah, brother. Yeah. This is definitely my main focus, but the thing I got approached for seems like a lot of fun. That's why I chose to do it. Might do it off stream first, and if it looks good, I'll stream it. And see if anyone picks up where it's from. Master Carver? No! Carving up those food plates, yep. Just trust your skills. Yeah, thank you, brother. Namatsu itepu marangamai iteo marama eno holeahu to my hipporewa hippopapa namori.
New Cadbury Dairy Milk, inspired by Pinkies. Join us in supporting Breast Cancer Foundation New Zealand.
Get up the foundation. My dad's Maori, does that make me part Maori? Yeah, I mean, you just said it yourself. Love watching when studying. As long as you do more studying than watching, brother. Okay. This is the real song of the storms. Bloody mower. Hey, Grind Samuel. Hey, brother. No, you're breathtaking. Is that the volleyball theme song? Yeah, bro. Cheers, Carls. You have a good one, brother. Yeah, I think it's almost time to go and pick my little one up. Just aced my exam now, time to watch some carving. Nice, brother. Love to hear it. Awesome, bro. Oh, I'm getting a raid invitation on Pokemon. Sorry, I can't join. Just looking at it now. Yep, 1, 2, 3, yeah, it's looking all good. What you reckon, chat? Is it looking all good?
Tech's mega spring sale
Yeah.
is now on, with crazy savings on heaps of your
Get up
favorite
for
tech
Ed.
products, including laptops, smartphones, TVs, audio.
Dude, dead. How's it looking, chat? Is it all good so far? Hopefully I'm not too boring. All good, chat. We'll stand it up sooner so we can show you. So far so good indeed. Oh, thanks, brother. Where's my V chisel? And they're turned off. Just as the on song was picking up too. Warya Kali. Do do do. Ooh. It's lifting. Ko aluai te tohata. Looking top notch, sir. Ah, thank you. Is your business local? Oh, I don't even have a business, brother. Just one man with his tools. Hey, Atua. Finally caught a bloody stream here. Chur my bro, katipai. Yeah, I think we're almost done for the day too. How was your Moe stream? I jumped in and you having a bit of a sleep. We on the clock was on the weekend. Che bella cosa la iolerai soli. Is this Mayan carving? It's Maori, brother. You are lover, o sole mio, stan frodiade, o sole mio, stan frodiade, stan frodiade. When life I saw you with your eyes so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. Oh wait, sole mio audition win. Nah, bro. Chill out, bro. How you? You're not streaming today? I just caught your stream this morning and then I had to get my ass outside. I ended up sleeping on stream. Oh, come on, yeah, I just jumped in and I can see a porto in the moinga. And then I seen your glasses and hey, our man's gone to sleep. Poupou, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to. Sounds like a fun stream. Did you wake up and still on? It's a bit like Squid. He had a bit of a moist stream too, but we all woke him up in the end. I thought I saw you on this morning too when I was getting off, but I started mahi at 11, so procrastinating as usual. Right. Gotta catch a whole stream. Do you stream in the Arvos, bro? Van Dirts and God Odysseus. Damn, that's a heavy name. Thank you guys for the subs, much appreciated. You didn't have to though. Ramen, why no donuts for the next week, brother? Just gotta cut some weight for a wedding. Shouldn't be too hard. So yeah, just wait. What? Slouch potato, Forsen viewer. Oh, is he unbanned? Woke up an hour later, turned the stream off. Woke up in the morning and facepalm myself. Yeah, I just jumped in and our man's asleep. During work or whenever the day's off. Oh, fair enough. It's a good day because his squirt does it all the time. He was when he had his sleeping stream, he was pretty deep, but we were spamming all his alerts in it just to wake him up. And then he stayed up an extra 5 hours. Man, he looked bloody fresh as the hills. Eyes redder than a bloody tomato. But he did well. He does some big hours though. He's always grinding hard there, fella too. Okay, I'm gonna stand him up so we can have a look here. I'm about to go to bed, brother. I'll see you next stream. Cheer, my bro. Have a good sleep. Can some question flick? There's always tomorrow. Gotta go pick up my daughter. Okay. Yeah, it's not looking too bad, eh? Can you see it? So you can see that the lines are starting to pop out more with the pakatis just starting to take place. So all these notches, so I've got to do that line here. There. So we still got the arms to do, shoulders and the legs. So how's that looking to you guys? All good? Much love from Atlanta. Hey, brother. So yeah. I don't know, I might chuck something in here, maybe. We'll see. It's a bit blank here. Let me get it. Yeah, it's alright.